Welcome to all here in the session of mathematics. This is the fourth episode for the chapter complex number for the class XI, that is 11th class. Now in today's episode we'll discuss some useful result and some difficult level problems. So first of all, already we have found iota means imaginary unit. From this word we have taken I is equal to represent as square root of minus 1. That implies I square is equal to minus 1, and also I cube, already we have found I cube is equal to minus I, and I4 is equal to 1. That means I to the power 4n is equal to 1, and I to the power 4n plus 1 is equal to I, and I to the power 4n plus 2 is equal to I square, that is minus 1, and I to the power 4n plus 3, that is I cube, which is equal to minus I. Okay, now we'll take some example to get a conclusion. So you see, suppose you will write root over of 3 into root over of 5. What about this? That means you can write root over of 3 into 5. That is nothing but the root over of 15. Okay, would you follow or not? समस्त प्राय स्कूल लेवल रे इटा भी शिखिछ root over of 3 into root over 5 is equal to 3 into 5, that is root over of 15. Now suppose I am asking you, what about the root over of red रे काहे लिखुची? This one is a dangerous one. Why? Root over of minus 3 and root over of minus 5. What about this? Some students are writing easily root over of minus 3 into minus 5. Their answer is also root over of minus 3 into minus 3, that is plus 15. But if you write likewise, then you are committing a mistake. What is that? Now you see, that is, if you write likewise root over of minus 3 into root over of minus 5 can be written as, already we have found I square is equal to minus 1 using this. So this one is quite imaginary. So therefore you can write root over of 3I into root over of minus 5 means root over of 5I. So this is nothing but the root 3 into root 5. That can be written as 3 into 5 whole into I square. That is nothing but the 15 root over I square is minus 1. That is nothing but the minus root over of 15. So from these two results you see, this one is root over of 15 and this one is root over of minus 15. So they are not equal. So which one right, which one wrong? So from this we conclude that this one is right one and this one is wrong. Okay, why wrong? Because this contradicts the value I square is equal to minus 1. That's why we should write root over of minus 3 into root over of minus 5 is equal to root 3I into root 5I, which is equal to root 15I square, or in other word, that is nothing but the minus of root over of 15. So from this we conclude that our conclusion is or you can say some useful result. That means a root over of A into root over of B is equal to root over of AB. When this one is true, you write is true when A greater than 0, B greater than 0, second bit A greater than 0 and B less than 0, third bit A less than 0, B greater than 0, or both of them are 0. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0. Okay, in this case only you can write root over of A into root over of b is equal to whole root over of AB. Otherwise you can write. That means another thing is left. Which one left? Which one left? That one is star mark I have given. That is root over of A into root over of B is not equal to root over of AB if A is less than 0 and B is less than 0. If both are negative, then this result fails. So this result is applicable when these 4 happens. That means these are the 4 important points when both are positive, A greater than 0, B greater than 0, or at least one of them is positive or 0. In other words, you can write this result by this result is only true only when at least A and B either positive or 0. Would you follow or not? You can say likewise. That means this result is true only when at least A and B either positive, both are positive, or gote positive, either one of them positive or both are positive, or one is 0 or both are 0. Okay, that means from this we conclude that this result root over of A into root over of B is not equal to root over of AB if A less than 0, B less than 0. Okay, so now I will take some problems. If n be an odd natural number, numbers, then so that I to power n plus I to power 2n plus I to power 3n plus I to power 4n is equal to 0. You have to prove when n be an odd natural number. Okay, now we'll take the solution. Now we'll take the solution of this problem. Actually, what is that given? Given n be an odd natural number. Okay, as you will mention what is the given condition? Natural number. That means your supposition should be n is equal to 2k plus 1, where k belongs to z. Okay, n. Okay, n means k is any natural number. Okay, now we'll take the question. That is the question LHS. LHS is equal to I to power n plus I to power 2n plus I to power 3n plus I to power 4n. That is nothing but the I to power n. N means 2k plus 1. I to power 2n, I to power 2 into 2k plus 1 plus I to power 3n, I to power 3 into 2k plus 1. N should be replaced by 2k plus 1. That is I to power 4n, 4 into 2k plus 1. Okay, I to the power 4k plus 2, that is I to power 6k, 3 into 2, that is 6k plus 3 plus I to power 8k plus 4. Okay, so this is nothing but the I to power 2k into I to power 1, 2k plus 1, base is same, I to power 2k plus 1. So here this one can be written as I to power 4k into I square plus this one can be written as I to power 6k into I cube plus this one can be written as I to power 8k into I to power 4. Okay, so I to power 2k can be again written as I square whole to the power k into I plus I to power 4k means I to power 4 whole to power k into I square is minus 1 plus I to power 4k plus 2k, isn't it? Into I cube is minus I plus I to power 2k means I fourth whole to power 2k into I fourth is 1. I square is minus 1, that is minus 1 to power k into I plus I fourth is 1, 1 to power k is 1, that is minus 1 plus I to power 4k is 1 into I to power 2k, that is I to power 4k into I to power 2k into minus I plus I to power 4 is 1, 1 into 1, that is 1. Here it is 1 and minus 1, cancel. Now we have left to it, that is nothing but the minus 1 to power k into I minus 1 whole to power k into I to power 4k is 1, so therefore this is nothing but the minus I, there minus plus and minus I to power 2k into I, that is I square to the power k into I. Okay, do you follow or not? Here I to power 2k means I square whole to power k and minus plus is minus and I is left here. Okay, that is nothing but the minus 1 to the power k into I minus I square is minus 1 to power k minus 1 to the power k into I. Here these are two same and plus minus, these are to cancel, which is equal to 0, which is equal to RHS. Okay, so taking all these, that is n is equal to 2k plus 1, you can find n is equal to 2k plus 1. Why? Since given n be an odd natural number, that's why n, your supposition should be n is equal to 2k plus 1. So likewise putting n is equal to 2k plus 1, you can simplify yourself. Simplification तुम जमती कर पारिबो आउ छोटर भी हेई पारिबो, तुमर जदी आउ टिके आउटलुक भलो अछि तले आउ बहुत शीघ्र भी कर पारिबो. मु तुमको स्टेप वाइज कर देली, जीरो लेवल रो कर देली, समस्त जमती बुझी पारिबो. नेक्स्ट नंबर को दिबा. So next number, now we'll take question number 2, that is find the least natural number n for which the value of 1 plus I whole divided by 1 minus I whole to the power n is equal to 1. You have to find the least natural number, that means n belongs to n, that means n belongs to n. So now we'll take the solution. You see here, first what are the given condition? Given z is equal to 1 plus I whole divided by 1 minus I. So this one you have to express first in a plus ib form. How is it? Already we have discussed, that is in the previous episode, 1 plus I whole divided by 1 minus I, conjugate of this denominator 1 minus I ro conjugate karte 1 plus I, so 1 plus I should be multiplied with the numerator as well as with the denominator. So we'll get numerator 1 plus I whole square divided by a square minus b square, because a minus b whole into a plus b, that is 1 square minus I square. Okay, this is nothing but the 1 plus I square, 1 square 1 plus I square plus 2I whole divided by 1 square is 1 minus 1. So this is nothing but the 1 minus 1 plus 2I whole divided by 1 plus 1. So 1 minus 1 cancel, we have left with 2I by 2, that is 2 cancel, only we have left with I. So kete simple hegala dekhla. So 1 plus I by 1 minus I is equal to I. Now we have to ask, now you can write now 1 plus I whole divided by 1 minus I whole to the power n, asking, is equal to I to the power n, that means because the value of this already we have found, that is I. Okay, তাহলে I to power n natural number কেতে হলে I to power n আমি জানিছো I to power 1 is I square is equal to minus 1, I cube is equal to minus I to the power 4 is equal to 1. So this is the least positive integer. So from this we conclude that implies when n is equal to 4, then I to the power 4 is equal to 1. That implies 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole to the power n is equal to 1. Hence the least value of n is equal to 4, for which 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole to the power n is equal to 1. That's your answer. Okay, now we'll take another problem, that is question number 3. Question number 3, that is find the least positive integer. Find the least positive integer n for which 2I by 1 minus I 1 plus I whole to the power n is greater than 0. That means he is asking find the least positive integer. एटी least positive integer बुझी पारछो त धनात्मक पूर्ण संख्या सबुठारु सान होइथिबा दरकार. सेही n रो वैल्यू केते हेले एटार वैल्यू ग्रेटर देन 0 हो मींस पॉजिटिव हो. अच्छा, नाउ विल टेक द सॉल्यूशन. लेट z is equal to 2I by 1 plus I. So first we have to express this one into a plus ib form. Already we have found this one can be written as 2I whole into 1 minus I whole divided by 1 plus I whole into 1 minus I. Why? Since 1 minus I is the conjugate of 1 plus I, so 1 minus I should be multiplied at the numerator as well as denominator. Okay, so 2I multiplied here at the numerator, 2I minus 2I square divided by 1 minus I square. Okay, now 2I, keep it as same, 2I minus 2 into I square is minus 1, already we have found, divided by 1, I square is minus 1, minus 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 taking as common, we have left with I plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1, that is 2. So this is nothing but the 2 whole into I plus 1 divided by 2. 2 cancel. So we have left with I plus 1. He is asking 2I by I plus 1 whole to the power n. That means you have to find I plus 1 whole to the power n, for which this one is greater than 0. That means greater than 0 means here I plus 1 whole square, I plus 1 whole to the power 1 is imaginary number. I plus 1 whole square, already we have found I plus 1 whole square is how much? I plus 1 whole square is I square plus 1 plus 2I, that is nothing but the minus 1 plus 1 plus 2I, that is nothing but the I plus 1 minus 1 cancel 2I. So this value is 2I. So if you will take I plus 1 whole to the power square रो केते नै जिबा whole to the power 4th, तमन केते हे गला एटा 2I रो whole to power 4th, 2I रो whole to the power 4th, that is nothing but the 2 to power 4 into I to power 4. I to power 4 is equal to 1, 2 to power 4 is 16, which is greater than 0. आउ किछि कम नंबर नेले एटा I जेमति हेले नय रहिबो 1 2 3 4 जहा नियो सबुडा रहिबो. So I plus 1 whole square whole to the power 4, that means what? That means I plus 1 whole to the power kete gala 8. That means this is nothing but the divided by I plus 1 whole to the power n value kete hele eta is greater than 0 or n is equal to minimum value is 8. This is the least positive integer for which z is greater than 0. Okay, that's your answer. Now we'll take the next number. Question number 4. Suppose you have to prove 1 plus I whole to the power 4 1 plus 1 by I whole to the power 4 is equal to 16. How is it? You see, LHS is equal to how much? That is 1 plus I whole to the power 4 1 plus 1 by I whole to the power 4. तुम इच्छा हो एलसीएम नवाक एलसीएम नबनी 1 प्लस आई होल टू पावर 4 तुम लिख कौन 1 प्लस आई होल इंटू 1 प्लस 1 बाय आई टोटल होल टू द पावर 4 isn't it? Since x to the power m into y to the power m is equal to xy whole to the power m, since this one happened from your school level, okay, so this one can be applied here. That is 1 plus I whole into 1 plus 1 by I. This is nothing but the 1 plus I whole into 1 plus 1 by I means 1 into I by I into I, that is I square, isn't it? Whole to the power 4th. 1 plus I whole into 1 plus 1 by I mean I square is minus 1, so minus I, so 1 minus I. तो सिंपल है देखिल तो तुम होल 4 बाहर करते तो प्राय पिला कौन करती होल स्क्वायर कर दियंती होल स्क्वायर करिया दरकार नहीं, इजीली बाहर करिवो 1 प्लस आई होल इंटू 1 माइनस आई ए प्लस बी होल इंटू ए माइनस बी, दैट इज 1 स्क्वायर माइनस आई स्क्वायर 1 स्क्वायर माइनस आई स्क्वायर होल 4. देखो केते सिंपल है 1 स्क्वायर केते 1 आई स्क्वायर केते माइनस 1, सो माइनस माइनस 1 रो होल 4th, isn't it? तो 1 plus 1 that is 2 to the power 4 2 to the power 4 केते 16 which is equal to RHS. तुम्हें एठी 1 plus I whole to the power 4 अछि माने होल स्क्वायर बाहर कले आउरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हे जो एटा भी होल स्क्वायर बाहर कले आउरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हे जो. सो बोथ रो पावर सेम अछि माने गोटे पावर कर दलो, गोटे पावर कर सारी कि तापर कोन कलो मल्टीप्लाई कर दलो, मल्टीप्लाई करी एटा जेहेतु डिनोमिनेटर रे अछि I बारंबार कहिछि डिनोमिनेटर रे I थिले ताकू कोन करिवो बोथ न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर I मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. I मल्टीप्लाई कर देले 1 into I by I square पुनी माइनस 1 हेले माइनस I हे गला 1 माइनस I एटा हे गला 1 माइनस I 1 प्लस I a प्लस b होल into a माइनस b आसी गला केते a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर, सो a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर माने कोन 1 माइनस 1 प्लस 1 2 2 to the power 4 is 16. Okay, so we have to now we'll go to the number 5. Number 5 is asking find the real value of a, find the real value of a for which 3iq minus 2ai square plus 1 minus a whole into I plus 5 is real. Okay, so he is asking find the real value of a for which 3iq minus 2ai square plus 1 minus a into I plus 5 is real. Now we'll take the solution. First of all, you have to write what of the given condition. Given, what is that given? That is 3iq minus 2ai square plus 1 minus a whole into I plus 5. Okay, now we'll simplify this one. Iq is already we have found, that is minus I. Iq is minus I square is minus 1 minus a into I multiply, that is I minus ai plus 5. Okay, that is minus 3i minus 2a. Now we'll take plus I minus ai plus 5. Now we'll take minus 3i plus I minus 2i plus 2a minus ai plus 5. That is nothing but the, if we'll take real part and imaginary part differently, then 2a plus 5 is the real part, and taking I as common we have left it minus 2 minus a. Okay, So real part of this one, this is the real part. If you will take this one as z, say mane kon mone karo z is equal to this one. So real part of z, tale real part kete hala 2a plus 5 and imaginary part that is imz is equal to kete hala -2 minus a. I लिखिबनी -2 minus a. I रो कोएफिशिएंट जोटा सेटा लिखिबो. कोएफिशिएंट माने सहग हला. सी कहिछि कोन फाइंड द रियल वैल्यू ऑफ a for which 3iq minus 2ai square plus 1 minus a into i plus 5 is real. Real माने कोन imaginary part is 0. So therefore for z is to be real em लिखियो. For z is to be real ने real होबा पई we have to replace imaginary part, that is imaginary z is equal to 0. So that is nothing but the imaginary part. -2 minus a is equal to 0. That implies a is equal to -2. That's your answer. Okay, so when a is equal to -2, then the total z, which one is given in the question 3iq minus 2ai square plus 1 minus a into i plus 5 is real. Okay, now we'll go to the number. Now someone is asking to prove, that is question number 6 someone is asking to prove the fourth properties of the conjugate of complex number, that is z1 by z2 ro whole conjugate is equal to z1 ro conjugate by z2 ro conjugate. Eta prove kariba. Okay, so let us take the proof. Now your supposition, let z1 is equal to x1 plus iy1 and z2 is equal to x2 plus iy2. So likewise supposition should be there. Then z1 by z2, you have to find z1 by z2, that is x1 plus iy1 divided by x2 plus iy2. तो डिनोमिनेटर रे i रुहेनी, ताको a plus ib फॉर्म रे एक्सप्रेस करले कोन करिवो, न्यूमरेटर मल्टीप्लाई करिवो, डिनोमिनेटर मल्टीप्लाई करो, दैट इज x1 plus iy1 होल इनटू x2 minus iy2. काहे कि माइनस मल्टीप्लाई कलो डिनोमिनेटर रे जहा अछि तार कंजुगेट, दैट इज x2 plus iy2 जहा थिला से रखिलो, मल्टीप्लाई कलो तार कंजुगेट x2 minus iy2. So denominator ro conjugate ta ko multiply kalo numerator as well as denominator. Okay, now I will take, that is multiply, simple multiplication kar diyo, x1 into x2 minus I whole into x1 y2 plus I whole into y1 x2 minus I square into y1 y2 all divided by x2 रो square minus I square y2 रो square, that is a square minus b square. This is nothing but the x1 x2 minus एटा देखो I square is -1, I square -1 माने प्लस हे गला x1 x2 plus y1 y2 minus I or plus I taking as common x2 y1 minus x1 y2 divided by x2 square plus y2 square. So this is nothing but the, you can separate x1 x2 plus y1 y2 all divided by x2 square plus y2 square plus I whole into x2 y1 minus x1 y2 all divided by x2 square plus y2 square. Okay, this one is the result of z1 by z2. Now we have to find the conjugate of this z1 by z2 whole conjugate, that is the LHS, isn't it? So this one you can write LHS is equal to this much, that is nothing but the x1 x2 plus y1 y2 all divided by x2 square plus y2 square minus imaginary part टा खाली minus हो minus x2 y1 minus x1 y2 all divided by x2 square plus y2 square. Now RHS is, what is RHS? That is z1 bar by z2 bar. Okay, that is nothing but the x1 minus I y1 divided by x2 minus I y2. Because z1 is, we have taken x1 plus I y1, so conjugate of this means x1 minus I1. So z2 conjugate kete x2 minus I y2, since z2 is equal to x2 plus I y2. So I could be simply a plus ib form रे express करो, that is x1 minus I y1 whole into x2 plus I y2. Why x2 plus I y2 multiply कलो, देखो डिनोमिनेटर केते अछि x2 minus I y2, तारो conjugate multiply करियो, तार conjugate केते x2 plus I y2 divided by x2 minus I y2 whole into x2 plus I y2. Okay, so this is nothing but the simple multiplication कर दियो. Simple multiplication कौन होगा, x1 x2 plus I x1 y2 minus I x2 y1 minus I square y1 y2. Okay, divided by this one, divided by x2, this one is a plus b whole into a minus b, that is a square, x2 square minus I square y2 square. Okay, so that is nothing but the x1 x2 minus, so I square is minus 1 means plus is here, plus y1 y2, this is the real part, and imaginary part I taking as common both, so plus I whole into x1 y2 minus x2 y1 whole divided by x1 x2 square minus minus plus y, since I square is minus 1 minus plus y2 square. Okay, y2 square. Now we'll take, that is x1 x2 plus y1 y2 by x2 square plus y2 square plus I whole into x1 y2 minus x2 y1 whole divided by x2 square plus y2 square. Okay, now you see LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. ओके, समझ बुझी पाइल, पूरा सिंपल कंजुगेट कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर जहाँ लिखिबा कथा लिखिबो, तापरे a प्लस ib फॉर्म रे जेमती एक्सप्रेस करो, डिनोमिनेटर जहाँ अछि तार कंजुगेट को मल्टीप्लाई करो न्यूमरेटर को और डिनोमिनेटर रे, so you will get your proof. Okay, so that's all for the today's session. In the next session we will take multiplicative inverse, additive inverse as well as the modulus of the complex number. So until then, goodbye, thank you.